There's going to be a quick video on removing dishwasher. So this old Bosch dishwasher has given out. We've tried fixing it once already, and now it's time to replace it with a new one. So we'll go through and remove. First thing I'm going to do to remove is remove these clips here. They're attaching the dishwasher to the countertop, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, once that is done, pretty much you can just slide the dishwasher forward. So be careful not to go all the way because it is connected. So you'll see back here all the connections, a little dirty back here. So what we'll do now is unplug it from the power and disconnect the hoses. Alright, so once we unplug the power from the dishwasher, we'll follow the hoses under the sink and we will disconnect the water line going into the dishwasher and the exit line. So, not sure if you can see up here. So we'll remove this line here, this little screw, and then this inlet water. So as you can see, there'll be some water residue, so just make sure to have something underneath. Now we'll take off the drain hose. It's pretty much a screw to loosen the clamp and then pull the hose down, so I'll do that next. Alright, so there we go. We removed it from the drain from the dishwasher to the air gap up here. And now would be a good time to decide whether you want to replace the whole air gap. Easiest time to do it would be now. So that's pretty much it for that. Now we just take out the dishwasher completely. Just remove the hoses and then pull the dishwasher out completely.